General Finishes Butcher Block Oil is a natural protectant and maintenance product for wooden cutting boards, utensils, and bowls. It's made with mineral oils that meet all the requirements for use on wood projects that come into contact with food. It's perfect for this bird's eye maple cutting board. Butcher Block Oil deepens the natural color of raw wood, like this walnut. Just going to take our cloth here, put a little bit on. And before it runs all over the place, we're going to take and just evenly wipe it over that surface. You can see how it's already soaking into some of those areas. Want to make sure to saturate the entire surface. You can see this corner over here is a little light, so I'm just going to put a little bit more on here. There we go. Nice even application over the entire piece here. Now that we've applied the oil liberally, we're going to let it soak in for a few minutes before we wipe off the excess. All right, now we've let it soak in for a few minutes. We're going to take a clean part of our cloth here. We're going to wipe off the excess. It's really soaked in nicely. We don't need to leave a real thick film on there. You just want to take off all the extra so it's not puddled in any areas. There we are. Nice and even. And because it doesn't form a hard film, it will not flake or peel. Butcher Block Oil is zero VOC, low odor, and non-combustible. It's available in pints and gallons. Butcher Block Oil is the natural looking choice for your wooden surfaces. General Finishes is dedicated to using the highest quality ingredients in all of our products, while testing and advancing our water-based finishes with leading-edge technology. Learn more about Butcher Block Oil at generalfinishes.com/butcherblock. General Finishes. We make tomorrow's finishes today.